Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic chips, full guide. Slice garlic very thinly, pat dry, and fry in neutral oil over medium heat until golden and crisp. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and salt immediately. Keep an eye on the oil so cloves brown evenly without burning. Store cooled chips in an airtight container to preserve crunch and flavor. To get perfect garlic chips, focus on consistent slices and good technique. Use a sharp knife or mandoline and work with chilled cloves for firmer texture. Pat slices thoroughly dry to reduce splattering and oil foaming. Heat oil to a steady medium, frying in small batches so temperature stays even. Always watch closely. Garlic can brown fast. Let chips cool fully before storing to keep crispness and aroma. Season hot garlic chips right after frying to help salt adhere and boost flavor. Try smoked paprika, chili flakes, or a light dusting of grated Parmesan for variety. Mix chips into salads, scatter over soups, or press into butter for a bold spread. They make a crunchy topping for avocado toast and grain bowls, and they store well if fully cooled, keeping texture and a punch of garlicky flavor. They are quick to make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.